A man touched my backside at the Chiang Mai night market, but before we get into that, here's everything we had. One of the culture shocks I found being in Thailand from Australia is pedestrians have no rights. It felt like this was just for decoration. Okay, so I had to start the night right, and I have at least 2 to 3 of these a day. Also got these shrimp tempuras, which is made fresh by that lovely lady over there. I was keen to try anything wrapped in these banana leaves. This is the banana cake, and I wasn't sure how I felt about it. And this is the coconut pudding. It had an unusual texture and I think I just wasn't used to it. It was similar to mashed potato. Despite it being super packed, there was still a lot of room where I was standing to walk past us. But a foreign tourist walked as close as he could to me and squeezed the cheek. Can you believe it? Now you're probably wondering what my husband did, but I didn't tell him until we were far away from him because I'm not trying to get my husband locked up in a foreign country. And then when I did tell him, he started getting really angry and wanted to go look for him, but I said that I wasn't sure, even though I definitely was. Back to the review, I couldn't decide if I wanted the khao soi or the pad thai, so I got both. There was a massive line at this store and it was so good. Khao soi is officially my new favorite Thai dish. Can you believe these sushis were about 25 to 50 cents AUD per pop? I really wanted to try the crocodile ostrich, but I just wasn't game enough. There weren't any seats left, so we found a patch of grass and sat down so Aussie could have his food. He did not rate it. The thing I loved about Chiang Mai was their handmade market. They had so many handmade goodies. We came across these funny mugs and we found one that looked just like bear. Maybe it was the heat, but we just couldn't eat as much as we usually do, especially Aussie. On to dessert, Aussie tried this Nutella crepe and he loved it. I don't know if it was because his last meal was really bad or if he actually really liked this. I got the ice cream rolls and the ordering system was a bit complicated. I think I got my combos wrong, but I got taro ice cream, mango, banana, M&Ms and Oreos with blueberry flavored topping. I really wanted to try the pineapple fried rice, but there was no room left in my belly for it. Then we ended the night in a tuk-tuk blasting 685 to the world, baby.